Passing props through 5 nested components gets messy fast. There's a better way. When you need to pass data from a parent to a deeply nested child, you often end up threading props through every component in between. This is called prop drilling, and it makes your code harder to maintain. Components in the middle become cluttered with props they don't even use. useContext solves this by letting you share data across any component in the tree without manually passing props at every level. Here's how it works. First, you create a context with createContext. Then you wrap your component tree with a provider that holds the shared value. Any component below that provider can access the value using the useContext hook, no matter how deeply nested it is. No more drilling props through components that don't care about them. This is perfect for global or cross-component state that many parts of your app need to access. Common use cases include managing themes, user authentication status, language preferences, or current user data. But context isn't always the right tool. If your data updates frequently, context can cause unnecessary re-renders since every component using it will re-render when the value changes. For high-frequency updates or complex state logic, consider a dedicated state management library instead. Remember, context lets you share data globally without prop drilling. Use it for infrequent updates like theme or auth. Now go ace that interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.